Can you really trust risk-free binary options trading strategies? Today I will be trading using the RSI and MACD indicators, and together we will analyze how effective these methods are in real market conditions. Let's get started and find out if you can really profit from these strategies. Welcome to YevaTrade. Here we reveal the secrets of successful binary options trading, test strategies, and share valuable tips for traders of all levels. Today we will explore one of the most popular strategies using my favorite indicators, RSI and MACD. We will test whether this strategy can truly deliver on its promises. Ready? Let's go! First, you need to go to Pocket option and enable our indicators. On the top left, there's a button labeled Indicators. Click on it and you will see a variety of indicators. We select RSI and MACD. For the RSI indicator, I set the value to 8, and you can see the MACD indicator parameters on the screen as well. Next, I choose a 15-second time frame for trading and proceed to select a currency pair. Today I will choose the Canadian dollar and Swiss franc pair with a 92% return and start analyzing. After observing for a while, I open a trade to go down as the RSI shows that the value is approaching the 70 level and may bounce off it, which is a signal to enter a downward trade. The MACD also shows some uncertainty, but overall the main MACD line and the signal line have been showing a decline recently. The trade was successful. Continuing the analysis. Before you continue watching the trades, I want to note something for those who might not fully understand what these indicators and how they work, or for those who just want to refresh their memory. The strategy is based on analyzing market trends and reversals using technical indicators. It assumes that signals from the RSI and MACD can predict price reversal points and optimal entry points into the market. The RSI indicator is used to assess the strength of the current trend and identify overbought or oversold zones, helping to determine possible reversal points. The MACD indicator allows you to analyze market momentum and indicates crossover points that signal the start of a new trend. Market entry occurs only when both indicators, RSI and MACD, confirm the trade direction. This reduces the risk of false signals. The strategy adapts to different time frames, allowing traders to use it for both short-term and long-term trading. While the strategy is positioned as risk-free, it includes capital management elements to minimize potential losses. These features make the strategy attractive to traders looking for a method that combines technical analysis with clear rules for entering and exciting trades. Now, let's get back to analysis. I open a trade to go down. The chart shows that the RSI is declining and approaching the 30 level, but there is still room for growth. The MACD shows that the main line has crossed the signal line and the distance between them is increasing, which is a signal to open a downward trade. The trade was successful. Continuing the analysis. The chart shows that the RSI is entering the oversold zone. As we know, the RSI value can remain below the 30 level for a long time, reinforcing this idea. The MACD shows an increase in the negative histogram and both lines crossing below the zero level. Based on these indicators, I open a down trade for 1 minute. The trade was successful. Continuing the analysis. After observing a bit more, I see a good entry point for a downward trade. After a slight upward movement, the RSI shows that its value has bounced off the 50 level, which sometimes happens, as the 50 level can act as resistance or support in some situations. The MACD also shows that the main line is approaching the signal line with the intention of crossing it from top to bottom, which is also a signal to open a downward trade. The trade was successful, continuing to look for a good entry point. I see a good entry point for an upward trade. The RSI value has excited the oversold zone, which may indicate that buyers are present in the market. This is also supported by the MACD's main line trading upwards while being above the signal line, though seller pressure remains strong, making this trade quite justified. The trade ended in break-even. After observing a bit more, I open a downward trade again. Once again, we see that the RSI value has dropped below 30 and the MACD's main line has crossed the signal line from top to bottom. These are two fairly confident signals to open a downward trade considering the current downtrend. The trade was successful. I open an upward trade. Once again, the MACD line has crossed the signal line from bottom to top and the RSI value has excited the oversold zone. I expect an influx of buyers and a slight price increase soon. I opened this trade with $200 for 1 minute. The trade was successful, and with that I conclude today's trading session. Today's trading session showed excellent results. Out of 7 trades, 6 ended in profit and 1 trade closed at break-even. This is a clear confirmation of the effectiveness of the chosen strategy, which not only minimizes risks but also consistently generates profits. It's important to remember that success in trading requires discipline and adherence to proven methods, and today's results shows that with the right approach you can achieve high performance. The strategy really works and I recommend continuing to use it in future trading sessions. That's it for this video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next videos. Also, let me remind you about my Telegram channel where I conduct trading sessions twice a day, Monday through Friday. I also post a lot of useful information, so subscribe if you want to become the best in the world of trading. That's all for now. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video on the channel.